I've got to make this one look like this one. And the only thing I have to do is chop this excess material off, so I'll have that arm, and then chop this excess material off, so I'll have this arm, and then they'll pretty much look like each other. The question is, how am I going to remove this excess material? My bandsaw, which is one of those chopping bandsaws where the arm comes down, I never have known exactly what to call it, would be very difficult. It would be very difficult to get this in the vise the way we need it. And I'm certainly not going to cut it with hand-powered hacksaw. So I think what I will do is stick it in the, align it to this table and mill it off. I hope that doesn't make everyone gasp, but that's my solution. I'm going to remove this excess material along a scribed line there with my end mill, because I don't have a good way to saw it off, which would be highly preferable. But this is not a big cut, other than that it is going to be 3/4 of an inch deep though. I'll take 50 thousandths at a time. Power feed, so I'm going to play with it to get it about where I think it ought to be. Yeah, that looks good. Probably a little slow. We'll see. Take another 50 on the way back. With those numbers, so I will chop her off there. I've got to hit this radius right here just right with this end mill. So I've already positioned the using paper. I've already positioned the end mill correctly on the radius that I want, on the spot on the radius I want to hit. But I can't go past that point. I can't come more this way or I'm going to be digging into my workpiece. So of course I don't have DROs in this Grizzly G3616, but I do have this 2-inch indicator held on with a Mighty Mag. There's the Mighty Mag. And I'll mill using an indicator. I'll just mill thusly until I get to the predetermined point, coming around right there. Right there. I wish these Mighty Mags had a hole for the indicators at 90 degrees to the ones to this one. That would make it a lot more useful. I don't know why I couldn't create one. I may do that. It turned out well. This is the piece I just finished milling. I still have to cut this radius, or in the case of this workpiece, I'm going to have to grind this radius, but to look like that, I think I can do it. There we go.